Hey guys, a month or two ago I bought a wok. So let me show it to you guys and we'll cook a quick meal in it. So let's get walking. I had never used a wok before, so I did a little research before I bought it. This one is a 14-inch carbon steel wok. They said carbon steel is the best material for woks because it cooks at a high heat. This one has a lid. This is an aluminum lid, which I like. A lot of them didn't have lids. And also this has a flat bottom, so it sits flat on your stove. Some of them are round, and then you need this little stand or adapter to set it on, but this one sits right on the stove. Now, as you can see, it's dark colored. When I first started using it, it was more silver colored, but it's kind of like cast iron. It seasons as you use it, so it turns dark, turns a darker color like that. And with these, you don't scrub them and use soap and water on them. You just kind of rinse them out, wipe them out, and keep them oiled like you would with cast iron. So I'm just going to cook a quick meal here. This is a gas stove, so I'll kind of put this on about medium heat there. And I use avocado oil in this all the time because it has a high smoke point, 500 degrees smoke point. So just put a little bit of that oil. And I have a bag of frozen stir-fry vegetables. Fresh are better, but you know, these are handy. The other day, the store was closed. I have a produce market right in front of my house, but it was closed, and so it's kind of handy just keeping a bag of this in the freezer. And so I'll just let that kind of cook a little bit till these vegetables are thawed out, and then I'll add just a little bit of rice. These vegetables have been in here for a few minutes and they're starting to look pretty good to me. So now I'm going to add this rice. I cooked this rice in my Instant Pot. This is just brown rice, so I cooked this I think a day or two ago, so it's pretty handy. It keeps some in the fridge and you know it's ready to go. And I don't have any meat to put in there, so I think I'll just crack an egg and add that for a little protein. But you know, you can add any type of meat, you know, if you have leftover chicken or just whatever kind of meat you want for this. It's pretty versatile. You can kind of just you know, do it however you want, and it's fast. You know, that egg cooks fast. I think what I'll do now, looks like that egg is getting pretty well cooked. I'm just going to go ahead and turn the heat off, and I'm just going to season it with some Johnny's seasoned pepper. I use this all the time. I've tried some different like Asian seasonings and stuff like that, and some of those are kind of fishy tasting. I haven't really found one that I like all that much yet, so I'm just using the Johnny's seasoned pepper, and I turn the heat off because there's a little bit of sugar in that, so I don't want the sugar to burn. So if you use sauces, sugary sauces, same thing, add those at the end and turn the heat off so the sugar in the sauce doesn't burn. Also maybe just a little bit of salt. And I go kind of light on the salt because I like adding a little bit of soy sauce as well, and that's salty. So that looks good. Let me grab a plate and try it out. I'm just going to sprinkle a little soy sauce on top of that, and we'll try it out. Plenty of veggies in that. Pretty easy one-pot meal. Not as good as with fresh vegetables, but still pretty fast and easy and good. I mean, I really like using that wok. Well, Annie showed up. I wonder if she'll eat her vegetables. Let's find out. Let her try a little bowl of it. Well, she's eating the carrots. Looks like she's liking it. She's eating everything. Celery, soybeans, edamame, rice. She ate it all. Since I bought that wok, I think it's the only pan I've used on the stovetop. I actually cooked a whole chicken in it with the cover on. I just put the whole chicken in and covered it and cooked it on low heat. I did some chicken wings. I did some quesadillas for my grandson. and some other stir-fry dishes. So it's pretty versatile. You can do quite a bit with it. I really like it. I'll put the link to Amazon if anyone wants to take a look at it and see which one it is. And if you guys are interested, maybe I'll do some more videos with it. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.